Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about one of my favorite snacks. They're Kirkland Signature by H.K. Anderson Valencia peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. They are delicious. They're great on the go. I got this big jar, and as you can see, I'm still got quite a few left. Almost at the bottom though. So you can purchase these online, luckily. If you don't have, of course, the Kirkland is the Costco brand. If you don't have a Costco card or you don't have one by you, super convenient because you can just purchase these online. I love pretzels as a snack and I love peanut butter, so the two just go so nicely together. This was a 3-pound tub, so we buy like the big thing, and me and my husband always like snack on it. Sometimes I'll just put some in a Ziploc bag and like bring them in my purse just in case I get hungry, or sometimes I'll just, like if we're watching TV or a movie or something, I'm not a big popcorn lover, so we'll have these instead, which is really nice. And then of course, like, pretzels are usually like low in fat and stuff like that, so they're better to eat than say like potato chips or popcorn that has a lot of butter or something that's fried. So 3 pound 4 ounces. Net weight is 52 ounces and 1.47 kilograms. Serving would be 8 pretzels, so it's 140 calories, 1.5 grams of saturated fat, 230 milligrams of sodium, and only 1 gram of sugar. And it has all the nutrition facts in the back. So total fat would be 8 grams, saturated fat would be 1.5 grams, polyunsaturated fat 2 grams, monounsaturated fat 4 grams, and 230 milligrams of sodium, 13 grams of carbohydrates, which is a little high considering the serving size. I mean, I could probably eat like 4 servings like really easily. I just feel like it's still better than eating something that's like fried or a potato chip or even like Doritos or something like that. It's just probably a better snack for you. And of course, like, pretzel is going to have carbs. 5 grams of protein, so at least there's some protein in there from the peanut butter, from the nuts most likely. 1 gram of sugar, so that's good, very low sugar, and 2 grams of dietary fiber. And then that is percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Ingredients. So we have enriched wheat flour, niacin, reduced iron, thiamine, riboflavin, folic acid, peanut butter, peanuts, molasses, mono and diglycerides, salts, and then less than 2% of canola and or soybean oil, corn syrup, barley malt extract, leavening, contains 1 or more of yeast, sodium bicarbonate, ammonium bicarbonate, contains wheat and peanuts. So if you have an allergy to either one, then definitely can't have these at all then. Distributed by Costco Wholesale Corporation, which is in Seattle, Washington. Kirkland Signature. I love Kirkland products. Every Kirkland Signature product is guaranteed to meet or exceed the quality standards of the leading national brands. If you're not completely satisfied, your money will be refunded. The Kirkland Signature is a trademark owned by Costco Wholesale Corporation and partially produced with genetic engineering. See it open top. And these are great if you have kids and stuff and you want them to eat like a better snack. And this is the size. It's small, like little nuggets. And then I just broke one open so you guys could see. So this is like the little peanut butter that's inside, surrounded with pretzel shell. I like the taste too. Like, I feel like the peanut butter is like nice and creamy, so it doesn't have a chalky flavor or anything like that. And they're just delicious and addicting. Like, there's no way you could eat just one. You're gonna want to have a whole bunch of them. Oh, and they're K for kosher, so that's great too. Well, yummy snack that you don't have to feel guilty about eating or giving your kids. Something that you could just pack in the kids' lunchbox, and this is a great way to do it. Buy it in bulk in a big jar so it's cheaper, and then you could just put them in Ziploc bags and put them in the kids' school lunch or snack or whatever, put it in their backpack. So it's Kirkland Signature by H.K. Anderson Valencia peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you try them out. Thanks so much for watching.